Now we've got some colours. Are we ready? Which colour's this? Quelle couleur? Oh, we've got orange. 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 We've then got purple. Violet. 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 We've got yellow. Jaune. Jaune. We've got green. Vert. Vert. Blue. Bleu. It's like me, isn't it? C'est comme moi. Bleu. We've got red. Rouge. Rouge. We've got pink. Rose. Rose. We've got black. Noir. Noir. Grey. Gris. Gris. And here we've got a bit of brown. Brun. And all the colours. Les couleurs. Les couleurs. So I've got all the colours here, look. But which colour's my favourite? Quelle est ta couleur préférée? I think it's blue. Bleu. So we're going to say, what is your favourite colour? Tell me, please. S'il te plaît. What is your favourite colour? Favourite colour, favourite colour. What is your favourite colour? Tell me, please. Quelle est ta couleur préférée? Préférée, préférée. Quelle est ta couleur préférée? S'il te plaît. Red, orange, yellow. Red, orange, yellow. Yellow, yellow. Red, orange, yellow. Green and blue. Rouge et orange et jaune. Orange et jaune, orange et jaune. Rouge et orange et jaune. Vert et bleu. Purple, white, black and grey. Purple, white, black and grey. Black and grey, black and grey. Purple, white, black and grey. Brown and pink. Violet, blanc, noir et gris. Noir et gris, noir et gris. Violet, blanc, noir et gris. Brun et rose. Are we ready? Red, rouge, orange, orange, yellow, jaune, green, vert, blue, bleu, purple, violet, white, blanc, black, noir, grey, gris, brown, brun, pink, rose. The colours. Les couleurs. Très bien. The colours. Les couleurs. So hopefully we now know what your favourite colour is.